Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be chit-chatting with you guys and doing my makeup, and then we're gonna take my rollers out of my head because I have rollers in right now. I have perm rods in. I didn't show you guys how to do this because this was a sponsored Instagram reel, but I'm gonna show you how to take down. Anyway, let's just hop right into this, y'all, because I have a lot to do today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. I just got this from the VIB sale. If you guys have not seen my blog, I will link that below. I did get a few things from the Sephora haul, but I didn't get a lot, y'all, because it seems like I get so much sent to me now that I just have to try those products. So I don't really buy a lot of products. Even like makeup, I do get a lot of makeup sent to me as well. Ooh, that is really hydrated. It says it's a primer. This feels like a moisturizer or like a serum or something. Anyway, we're primed either way. All right, so I did go ahead and do like a little bit of my brow. Like I did fill them in with some stuff, but I haven't concealed or anything. So first I wanna just go ahead and conceal my dark spots. Y'all know I got a spot right here. I'm gonna conceal those with my MAC concealer. I think it's NC50. I'm just gonna use this to conceal all of my spots. And I do this, y'all, a lot now because I'm wearing a mask and stuff majority of the time. So I really just don't want to put a lot of foundation on. So this is what I've been doing. And now I'm just gonna set my face with a translucent powder. You can use any type of translucent powder that you want to use. This one came in like my Ipsy bag and it doesn't have color to it. So I just want to go ahead and use that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, friend. I ain't getting no with me. I ain't getting no with me. That don't go nowhere. The next thing I want to go in with is my foundation. I'm using a lighter foundation now because, like I said, we are wearing masks now and I don't want anything heavy. I'm going in with the Dior Air Flash foundation and I am in the shade 600, and this is a water resistant 24-hour foundation. So first you have to shake it up. And I'm just going to spray it onto my brush. Just like that, as you see. And just press that in. So I know it looks a little lighter than my skin tone in this light, but I don't know why, girl, because the light ain't even, it ain't even but one light on me. Like, I don't know what to eat. We are going to even everything out, so don't worry. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer because I love this concealer, and this is in the shade Chestnut. I think it's more my skin tone now, cause your sister done got a little lighter, child. And y'all know I use the same contour every time. The Sephora Make No Mistake concealer in the shade, what shade is this? Allspice. Yo, this is my jam. This is the perfect contour for me. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Leave me alone. Like, I love this one. And it's like $12, so it is what it is. And then I'm gonna take this angled brush. This is by LaRousse. I think this was sent to me, but I really like this brush for contouring. It just gets right where you want it to be. Y'all like that? Look at that color. It looks so good. Look good to me. I have blended out my contour, so now I'm just gonna go back in with my beauty blender and just go ahead and blend out this under eye concealer. I have been super busy lately, but I'm loving it. Like, it's like a good busy, like I don't know. It's everything that I want to do. Like, it's just stuff I want to do. So I've been like super busy, but I've been loving it. But I was like, let me just sit down and do a makeup look with y'all, because I haven't done that in a minute. You guys always compliment my makeup on my Instagram. So I was like, might as well give Fren little tutorials or something. But I don't change my makeup up a lot. I don't feel like I changed it up much. I was talking to Bay the other day. We was having a debate about Dutch dating, y'all. And I was like getting heated because he was defending the other side. And I was like, you know, caught me off guard. So I was a little confused. I was like, what? So my argument was, I'm okay with Dutch dates, but not the very first date. Like, maybe one day we split the, like, I'm okay with that. But like, the very first date, that was the argument. The argument was the very first date. Like, he had all these excuses. The first excuse was, okay, the guy ain't got no money. And I'm like, well, if he ain't got no money, he don't need to be taking nobody on no damn date. You need to go take yourself to get some more money and secure your life and be happy first. Stop worrying about dating. And then he was like, well, no, what if the guy got money? Why it always gotta be about money? I'm like, because I'm trying to figure out why you wouldn't take the girl out on a date. Like, ain't nobody asking you to do all this. And then he was just like, they take out so many girls on dates. Why should they have to pay up front? And it's like, wait, who is you having this conversation with? Because it ain't me. Because he ain't trying nothing like that. But I'm just like, the defending of the Dutch dating just threw me, sis. I was like, but you silly. But don't you ever. I told him, I was like, if we ever have a child, I know exactly who is going to teach our man how to get a girl. Because baby boy, I wish he goddamn would. I pay for his date for his Dutch date. You is silly. We not doing that. And I ain't condoning it. And so we was having this conversation in front of his auntie. And his auntie looked at him like, why you silly? She was like, no. I was giving it after the first date. She was like, never. I was like, oop. And this on period. But don't get me wrong. I will pay the bill, you know, but it's just, I'm talking about when you're trying to pursue a woman, it just feel like you should just do that. Like, why not? Like, you acting like a date needs to be expensive. If it's not about the money and you just feel like dating a bunch of people, that's on you. That is silly. I don't know what good valued female you know about to just go on a date with you out of the faith that you a good person and then just pay for her own meal. I just don't understand. But like, if you do that, friend, I'm not knocking you, but I don't know none of them peoples. But I do got a question for y'all. Like, do you feel comfortable on the first date with the guy actually like coming to pick you up? Do you feel comfortable giving your home address? I feel like that's a little bit weird. Like, that's the last thing, like if I'm trying to talk to you, the last thing I want you to know is my address. But is that just me? Might be Jimmy. Y'all, I don't even think I'm doing no eyeshadow or anything today. I don't feel like it. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all which mascara I was using. This is by Trestique. It looks like this. If you twist it, that reveals the mascara. But like, if you pop it up, this is like a eyelash curler, in case you guys were wondering what the heck is she doing her eyebrow. Girl, I just realized I wasn't even telling you. Anyway, I'm really rushing through this. When I started talking, see, I can't talk and do my makeup at the same time, friend. I'm seeing y'all zooty. And I did use my Guerlain bronzer. This is my new bronzer. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if I feel like it did something, but then again, I'm like, I don't really know. But I will say this has a scent to it, okay? This really does not look true to color right now. Like, this is not this color at all. I am not this color at all. This is better. A little bit better. Anyway, with this bigger, wider lens, you need less light coming in, and it's like, what? Oh, I see what you paid for it. I see. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I'm just gonna take a nice fluffy brush and just set everything that wasn't set. Oh, I just realized I did not set my under eye. What the heck am I thinking? Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm gonna be going in with the Huda Beauty powder. Their Easy Loose Bake Setting Powder. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on my beauty blender. Blow it off. This is the cream. about the only blush I've been using. I just love an orange blush. I really don't see a reason to not use an orange blush. And I really like this one by Fenty, and this is Cheeks Out. Okay, girlfriend, got that done. We'll just dust this off. You don't want to look too powdery. Go on, dust it off. Don't leave it on there for too long. You want to do a little skin glass? You want to do a little highlight? You want to look a little cute? Okay. Skin glass. I'm going to shake this up first. Y'all know this is like a oil type of glitter. This thing bomb. I'm about to look like I'm glowing from within. And I like it. Ooh, drip, drip. Like, yes, gold. I know I don't venture out. I know that. That's how y'all know it's real. Well, okay. It may just be the fact that I like to use a lot of my products. But anyway, I'm going to put this on with my beauty blender on the other side. And on my nose. Cupid's bow. Now, the color that I use is by As I Am. It's their new red color. Look at me. Look at me. So yeah, it's time to take these bad boys out, friend. My head hurt and I'm over it. So let's reveal to see if I look like a nice little redhead. Ooh. Now I'm sure as I'm pulling it apart, I am gonna get some transfer. I'm like sure of that, but it shouldn't be that bad. Now this is pretty. Oh my, who's a redhead? I'm a redhead, okay. And I did not put any product. The only product literally is the hair color. Now I did put product on it as I was like, you know, after I blow dried it and stuff. This is my hair, oh my god, oh my goodness. Oh man, I'm a redhead. I honestly don't know what made me think to do this rod set. I really don't. I was just like, I don't want to do another wash and go because I just did that with the color. So I want to give my baby something else. And this is what I gave. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all go on my Instagram to see how I did it.
Are you doing business to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you.
So my memory card was full as I was taking it down, so I don't know where it stopped showing you. Fren, look at my freaking hair. Like, what? This is so pretty and so natural looking. This is not even a review for the hair. It ain't, but like, I'm pretty sure y'all probably clicked this video for the hair now that my hair look like this, and now I'm gonna have to take a picture for the thumbnail. So I'm like, Fren gonna be like, dang, how she got her hair like that? So now I gotta tell you. Okay, so some blown out hair, but y'all know I did the Bantu knots. I brushed out the Bantu knots and I put the 4 plaits in. If you would have watched my vlog, you would have seen that, but you didn't, so that's on you. Okay. And then after that, the next day I brushed it out, put the As I Am color in, no other products, no water, no nothing. Just that. Brushed it through with Tangle Teaser. And then I just put the rod on. Now you'll see the application process and how I kind of rolled it and stuff in my Instagram video. But girl, look at this hair. Get into it. Now, I have had a lot of it come off on my hand when I was separating, but I'm just hoping that that all stops because I did put a lot of product on, y'all. Like, I put a lot of additional product that I did not need. But I would say the color came out fantastic. I don't know how the back looks. I feel like I didn't do no color like right here. I didn't, my bad, friend, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna fluff it out anyway. I haven't picked it out and up or anything, so it's still just, but I just want y'all to see, like, oh my goodness. Like, they need to make this color into a colorless product, because whatever this was, I would like to use this to style my hair. Like, can we get that? Can we get a hair wax that you can style your hair with? Is that the next trend? Did we just make that the next trend? Because damn, I like this. I like this a lot. I didn't want to show y'all what I used. This is the As I Am Girl color. I used quite a bit. Okay, so I put a gloss on and I'm calling it a day, okay? This is how I normally rock it. Y'all know me, gloss it up, I'm outie. But I hope you guys really liked this video. It was a little bit of everything, a little bit of makeup and a lot of bit of hair and all that good stuff. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Come on.